Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Look what came today. I'm doing my unboxing this is for June's club card kit from the Stamps of Life. And it is chock full of goodness as usual. So let me pull everything out and then we can, excuse me, go through some of this. So look at the ribbon we get this month, 2 spools of ribbon that'll coordinate with everything we got here. We have a stamped sentiment and it just says, hold on. Okay, and so it just says the secret ingredients is always love. There is nothing better than a good friend, and then this heart and this leaves. So that's the sentiment in the kit. We also got this heart and the leaves that will cut out that there. And there's shadow pieces as well. I'm not sure if there's a glare, so let me take it out. So there's the die cut pieces. How exciting. Oh, and we got some of these felt flowers with the flat back pearls in the center. We also got a freebie, and it is a die cut that says hooray, and it has the shadow piece. Sorry for the crinkling, but there you go, hooray, and the shadow piece. Some inspiration cards, and if you've seen my Die Hard Club kit unboxing video, I'll put it here if you didn't have a chance to see it. And then the inspiration, oh, we got some of this beautiful gemmies, the faceted gemmies. I love the colors of this palette so far. We also got the normal die that comes in the kit, and this one says you got this, I think. Yes, you got this, and it has the shadow piece as well. So I'll cut these things out at the end. And here is the 6x6 paper pad that it comes with. It is double-sided paper, and I'll just do a quick flip through so you can see all the lovely and goodness. So that's that. Then we also got, wow, these are cute. These are like foiled heart stickers. Let me take them out because of the glare. There you go. And as usual, the 8.5 by 11 cardstock that comes in the kit. There's assortments of colors that match the paper pad, as well as some white cardstock for card bases. But here is the palette. Look at that palette. Oh, I think this is my favorite color palette that she's put out. I love it. And then, of course, it always comes with some A2 size card envelopes and the plastic pocket envelope that you can put your kit in so you can keep it all nice together. And so if you stay tuned, I'll be back with some samples. Okay, so here are my samples of what I broke down that card kit for. I'll just show you one by one. And this was the scrap pieces of strips that I have. I like trying to use them all up, so they'll all be blank on the inside, and then I'll put my normal personalized stamp. Oh, I gotta add that. And this is my, if you saw my unboxing AliExpress I got a bunch of Disney dies, and I'll leave that link here if you missed it. But yeah, it's a good size die too. Stitch. And then this was the die that came in the club kit. And then these were the flowers that were in the club kit. And then I got these balloons as well as the stitch from the same store on AliExpress. And then you got this was the die that came, the shadow and the die came in the kit. So did these faceted rhinestones come in the kit, and these foiled hearts. These die-cutted leaves, the die cuts came in the kit as well. And the sentiment, the secret ingredients is always love. And then this hooray was a free gift with the shadow piece as well. And then I just added glossy accents on the die cut, the balloon part, to give it that shine. And then these were part of the kit. The trim was part of the kit. And then I just die cut these, not die cut, but I just cut these out of the pattern paper that came in the kit. The cookies. And this sentiment is from a previous Stamps of Life kit. And then you can see I used some scratch, not scratch, but some strips of leftover paper on the background. So yeah, that was the cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 14 cards out of this kit so far. I still have some paper, and I've packaged everything back into the handy pocket the kit comes with. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.